I tried to do without it,
Mm-hmm.
and it did not work on mine. Man, this rear brake is messed up on this thing.
Is it? Oh. Yeah. Wonder why.
Um, okay, let's check the. Oh.
Awesome.
We can take this one off.
All right,
and show the
so
difference.
okay, so apparently the front forks on these bikes are pretty dinky, and my brother has a nice, real heavy-duty front fork setup.
That'll look a lot nicer
Yeah,
on there.
it does look better. But
Fork.
fork. Hey, 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 hey! Where's your safety glasses?
Eyes closed. Did you hear the tone change?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Always.
Always
safe.
wear safety glasses, guys.
Yep. Absolutely.
Do as we say, not what we do.
Well, you know, I have been watching your videos, and every once in a while,
It'll be fine, right?
every once in a while, you'll see the eye protection, and then the next shot, it's like,
Nah, that's the majority of the time. Majority of the time, like 99.99%, we have our safety glasses on.
yeah.
All right, now, what are we going to do about the no thing in there?
Good question.
Do we just push it out of the other one?
No, that's a one-shot deal.
Oh,
So.
hey man, you got any safety glasses?
Oh yeah. Just talking about safety just 2 seconds ago, and notice I knew exactly where they were because I do use them all the time.
You need to upgrade a little bit. Those are so 1980s.
See, this old one you had to kind of guide it in with your hand. There's a newer one that has a little slide that fits over it.
Mm-hmm.
That lines it up perfect every time.
Okay.
All right, how are the bearings? Are they greased?
I don't know.
looks to be, that's sealed one there. Alright.
Good. So I can reinstall.
Reinstall. It should be just like
when I
a mini bike.
when it came out. It's looking good. What do you think of the color?
I like it. It's bright. So all the cars will clearly be able to see you whenever you're in their way.
That's the idea. Sorry.
You're fine. So we're going to be replacing the brakes from these stamped out steel brakes and brake pads, brake arms, to these forged aluminum ones. They're going to work a lot better.
Why's that?
Well, because these cheap steel ones, they're so flimsy that you can actually just bend them.
Oh, nice.
Hand.
I appreciate that.
So
thanks, bro.
No problem. They're horrible.
Yeah. Oh, not the new ones. The new ones are great.
No, the new ones are great. Yeah.
Man, it's dripping out.
Okay. Well, actually, ethanol free.
Good. I wonder how much fuel that thing holds.
I can't remember.
First fuel up. How many pulls do you think it'll take?
Well, we'll need to wait for just a minute for it to fill up the bowl and everything. I'm going to say
That ought to be good
3.
enough, buddy. Thank
I'll
you.
say 1 pull. I look a lot better in Ike's hat.
It's a little on the loose side.
1 pull.
1 pull.
I say 3.
Okay.
Choke is on.
I hadn't
check that yet. But I'm gonna. Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dang.
It's nice and quiet.
I gotta fix that. You know why it took 7 pulls to crank up?
Because the choke
Because
was...
the choke wasn't on.
Yeah.
And I've been riding around
With
the
the
choke
choke.
on.
Yeah.
It needs to be idled up a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. Thumbs up, buddy. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you, Jason. Thank you, All Out Bikes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Visit my brother in 4 Oaks, North Carolina at All Out Bikes, and I will catch y'all later.